Hello. I would like some... Actually, what do you have? I'm not really sure.
Would you like some Swagger nuggets?
I'm not really in the mood for nuggets.
Swagger McMuffin?
No.
Swagger double cheeseburger?
Swag
burger?
No.
Swag wrap? Swaggermeister?
No.
Your mom?
I'm kind of in the mood for bacon.
Swagger BLT?
Yeah!
Here you go.
Is that a math book?
There's your swag.
Dude. Who needs to learn math when you have swag?
Swagger nuggets.